All right, welcome back to Unit 6, Lesson 2, Solving One-Step Equations. We're now going into the guided notes, the funnest part. All right, solving one-step equations. We are going to take the directions for here, take this little word bank area over here, and we're going to fill in these blank areas as we're reading. So in order to solve an equation, we're going to go here like that, isolate the variable and keep each side of the equation balanced. We need to make sure it stays balanced. We can use inverse operations to move terms from one side of the equation to the other. Inverse operations can be thought of as the opposite or as undoing operations. Okay, so now this is all filled out. So you can drag and drop. Sorry, I did not leave a place for you to be able to type. I may or may not add that in, but it was pretty easy dragging and dropping those words. So we're going to go to the next slide. And what is an inverse operation? Well, we need to find out what operation is taking place. Let's say we are adding two terms. In order to do the inverse, I need to subtract those terms. So I need to subtract. If I'm multiplying, the inverse operation is division. So when you're looking at inverse operations, you're looking for the opposite operation to undo what is happening. And we will be able to have some examples in the next video. But just remember, find out what operation is taking place, identify it. Again, if it's subtraction, you want to do the inverse, which is addition. So you're looking for the inverse operation, whether or not you're going from a positive to a negative or negative to a positive, it doesn't matter. One great point before I move forward is engineers utilize inverse operations a lot of the time when they are problem solving as well. So understanding this concept is critical, not just if you want to become an engineer, but if you want to figure out a budget or you want to figure out other things in life. Sometimes if figuring out the opposite of what's going to happen helps you understand what is also happening as well, or how to undo something that is happening. So let's move forward with the guided practice in the next video.